This is another explanation and demonstration of natural selection. In front of you, you see the habitat for these animals. And we're going to distribute the animals throughout the habitat. And here I've got a stomach. Now I'm the predator and I have to feed, and I have to see in 10 seconds how many of the beets I can pick up. And I have to look away every time so that I don't keep one eye on a beet while I put another in the stomach, therefore helping me. So what I'm going to do is within 10 seconds, I'm going to pick up as many beets as possible, starting now. And I look away every time and I look back and I take the beets that I see. It's a bit of neck wrenching. Okay, right. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red beets, and I have to note that down in my table. Now, for time's sake, we're not going to fill in the table, but there you can see color 1, 2, and 3. In this case, it would be red, pink, and green. And I say how many I picked up each time. And after 6 attempts, how many beets are remaining. So, my red beets, these 8 red beets are now removed from our habitat. And I repeat the catching, starting now. Remember, you have to look into your stomach every time you pick up a beet. You have to look away so that you don't focus on a specific color beet. And you have, good. Now let's see what we've got here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red beets, 2 green ones, and a pink one. They're also removed from the habitat. And let's try it one more time and see how the picking up goes now. Okay, starting now. And I have to look away.
Stop.
Right. 3 red beans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green beans, and 1 pink bean. And I think from this numbers, you can realize that the red beans are becoming less and less than the green beans, and that I've hardly picked up, I think I've only picked up 2 pink beets, which means, if we look at this habitat, that the green and the pink beans are most probably better camouflaged, while the red beets stand out, and that is why they were picked first. And because I looked away every time, when I looked back at the paper, the first color that I saw were the red beets. Now I can repeat this experiment using another type of habitat. If I take a habitat like this color, you can see that now the green ones might be more visible than the red ones. So we can use beets, colored beets, and colored gift paper to simulate natural selection, where the color of the beet serves as camouflage, and our, being the predators, will pick up the most visible beets. In other words, those with the colors that blend in with the habitat will survive. And yes, we can even add reproduction to the simulation. The worksheet's available on the Teaching Biology Project website. Go and have a look and enjoy.